Hello, this is Wendy. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually going to do a little mini makeover on my bedroom. So this is going to be just the first part, the second part of the video, and I'll put it all into one video. I'm actually going to do some painting and just some changing out of a couple of things. So let's take a little mini tour of my master bedroom. So as you can see, right now I have white walls in here. Now they used to be a lighter gray than the gray on this set of closet doors, and when I moved in I couldn't handle that. Even the ceiling was gray and it had some blue. It was terrible, so I just threw some white paint down just so I could get done with it and then remodel the rest of the house. So now I'm going to actually be painting. I'm not sure if I'm going to do all of the walls and leave the trim white, but all of the walls in like a beige color. And I'll show you all that product in the second part of the video. Or if I'm just going to do this back accent wall and then do the closet doors, that might end up being what I do. So you can see it's nice and bright because we actually have some sunshine today. And you can see there's my queen size bed. Now this is one of those upholstered platform beds. It's a charcoal gray, and I'm just done with the gray. And this bed is meant for the headboard set, whatever. It's meant for a queen king, so you can see how much room there is on either side. And I'm just not happy with that anymore, so I ordered a cream colored velvet channel tufted headboard and a new bed frame. I think that's going to be here tomorrow. So I have to take the bed apart and then paint, and I've got some beige curtains to change out with the gray ones here. I am going to leave the white shears. Now I have really small windows, and I am talking really small windows, but there's 5 of them in here. So what I did was I put ceiling to floor curtains, and I love the way that looks. There's not a whole lot you can do with this bedroom because of how small it is, but it is on the back side of the house, and it is the master bedroom with the ensuite, and that's through that closed door right there. I'm in the process of painting my bathroom cabinet. So there's just the other side of my room, and then there's my lovely I think it's 1940s vintage vanity that I picked up for like $40, and all I did was paint it white, changed out some of the broken knobs. I put some glass crystal knobs on there from Hobby Lobby, and then left the middle drawer with the original wood. I'm just going to show you that real quick. Look at how cool that is. You see that? It's got the original wood inlay in there. Okay. And then, of course, this is the only room left that has the original red oak floors. The other floors, like out in the living room, those are the original wood. Those are parquet, though. So I might move the bed to the other side here. We'll see what happens when I get all that stuff and finish painting. So here's the before, and I will record it when it's done, and then I'll put the video all together for you. So stay tuned. All right, so here it is. The bedroom is now completed. So let's just do a little mini tour. So this is the paint that I chose, and I think it might be Dutch Boy, but I just got it in the Zinsser paint and primer all-in-one at my local Menards. It's called Toasted Almond, and I got it in the eggshell, and I absolutely love this color. It just really calmed down this room. I think it was just too much white curtains, white walls, white ceiling, and I wanted to warm it up a little bit. And I do have some white bedding as well, so it's just too much white for me. So this warmed it up a whole lot. And you can see that I did get some different curtains. So I had just some thrifted gray, kind of like velvet ones. And I had those for years, got my use out of them. Now these I actually got from Ross, and it's a set of 4 panels. So I've got 2 on this side here. And these are Beekman Home, and they're like a beige jacquard two on this side here. That just frames out these windows. So I'm going to show you guys. Remember I said how little my windows are? I have a lot of them, but you see what I'm talking about? You see that? So that's kind of how they built some of these ranch style houses back in the 1950s. This house was built in 1950. And obviously I don't want to hang up just short little curtains because I think that would just look terrible. So I did all the way to the floor and really framed it out, softened it up in here. And then I took apart that platform bed, which was the charcoal gray upholstered bed, and I got this cream colored velvet one. It's called Channel Tuft, and it's very Art Deco looking. I think it was like 125 or 130 bucks on Amazon. I'll link that down below in the description box. And then I also got the bed frame, and I did not want the bed skirt put back on. I'm just over bed skirts because I have cats and they just get so dirty and so dusty, and they're a pain in the ass to get on and off the bed, especially if it's the one that slides in between the mattress and the box spring, which usually you end up having something like that when you get one that's a little bit more expensive. But look what I did get, and I literally just took the bed apart and put it back together to put this thing on. But you see my box spring? Now it's a cream colored bed, so that's kind of nice, but you could still see the brand name on the box spring here. So I found this while tooling around on Amazon a couple of days ago, and basically all this is, it's just a stretchy thing, and this one is in a jersey knit. You get a couple of different colors. I just got the white one here, and I'm going to turn my light on, just my overhead light, so you can see this a little bit better, hopefully. There we go. And you just stretch it around there, and so it'll hide your box spring if you don't have something that hangs way low over the bed, or if you don't want to put a bed skirt on. And this particular bed frame, it's pretty easy to put together, and I think it was like $65 or something like that. And I think it's like a 7-inch clearance, but it's actually high enough to put some storage boxes underneath. So I just have a couple of boxes underneath on the other side just to store some out of season items, because I really lack a lot of storage space in this house. But check out this paint. Isn't this pretty? It turned out so nice. I'm so happy with it. Love it with my artwork and my black dresser. And then I also did the closet doors. So I didn't do the inside of the closet doors because they're still gray. Who's going to care? Nobody's going to look at that. But I did the panels on the outside in that same toasted almond, and I am so pleased with how this looks. I finally am happy with how this bedroom looks. It was too dark before with the gray, it was too white, and of course I was just in a rush to get it painted white when I bought this house, just to get the gray out of here. Didn't think it through, and I should have just done the beige in the first place, but now I got it done. And I also got some really cute Art Deco style chrome hardware here for the handles. Aren't those pretty? So I changed those wooden ones out. Ugh, they were just nasty looking, cheap looking. So this elevates the look of these panel doors, because they are nice panel doors. And then I'll just give you a little tour of the rest of this. These outlet covers or switch plate covers, I have 2 of these. Now these are metal. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. I buy them when they're on sale. They're half off. You get a really good deal on them. And I just put the rest of my stuff back up in here. So what did I actually change out for my budget bedroom makeover? 1 gallon of paint. I think that was like $32. A couple of new knobs for the closet doors. Those were, I think, $5, under $5 a piece. Very affordable. The headboard and the bed frame. Now, if you already have a bed frame and a headboard, you won't have to do that, but I just wanted that gray gone. And of course that one was way too big. You'll see that obviously in this video as well. So this one just makes it look a lot more cohesive in here and cozy, and it's not so crowded, because this is a pretty small bedroom for being a master bedroom. So that the little box spring cover, and I think, yeah, that's, and the curtains, yeah, the curtains, $20 for 4 panels. Couldn't believe that deal. So totally affordable, and budget-friendly bedroom makeover, just to kind of bring it. Well, I mean, the beige is on trend. It's not that I do things on trend because I could care less about all of that stuff, but I did want to warm it up in here. And with the sunlight coming in the afternoon, it just looks really, really nice. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah, so there you go. There's my before and after budget bedroom makeover. Please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel. I did take a little break from posting videos every Wednesday. I'll be back into it, of course, with this next video, and then I'll be posting more videos as I go. I'll show you my mini bathroom makeover here to my ensuite because I redid the cabinets and the hardware and things like that. So I'll show you that when I'm done. And yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. We will talk soon. Take care.